In this video, we will show you how to download Power BI Desktop. If you guys want to get started with Power BI, you can use the links down in the description. To download Power BI Desktop, start by opening Google Chrome and searching for Power BI Desktop File Hippo. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. On the File Hippo page, click on the Download Latest Version for Free button. Once the download starts, click on the downloaded file to begin the installation process. You will be prompted to open the Microsoft Store. Click on Open Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, click on the Get button. Power BI Desktop will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, it will automatically install on your PC. You can now open Power BI Desktop from your Start menu and begin using it. So that is how to download Power BI Desktop. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Power BI. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.